this video, I will show you how to schedule a ride on Lyft app. So first of all, open up your Lyft app, and from here, click on the Trips tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on Schedule a Ride. And once you do that, you can basically start with your location. And let's say you want to go from Manhattan to JFK Airport. Then you're just going to do it like this. Let's say Terminal 1. Then you can basically select the time. So let's say you want it tomorrow. And then let's pick a time in here. Then you're going to click on next if you are ready, but you can also select an arrive time. So this is something that you can change, the departure time or the arrival time. So go ahead and pick something that's suiting your preferences. I'm just going with the departure time at 1. So let's go ahead and click on next. And then you will see your ride, you will see the costs, and you can also change the payment method all the way at the bottom left. Right now it is set to Apple Pay, but when you click on this, you can also pay with cash. And you can add another payment method. So that is PayPal in this case and your credit or debit card. And again, if you want to pay with cash, you need to select cash in here. So you can also change the time at the pencil icon in the bottom right. So you can go ahead and edit the pickup time or just cancel the request. But if everything is okay, just go ahead and click on Schedule Standard, and then you will schedule this ride on the time you selected. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.